You can expect a lot from the 2019 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck is waiting for you to take home. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, and more. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.